Like some native flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess I made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona.
What's up, guys? It is your girl Day back with another video. I want to keep this content going for you guys, and before we go any further, I would love for you to join the family. So go ahead and like and subscribe. And I'm so excited about today's video because this is my first time ever trying something that I found on YouTube. This is a new hair trend. I saw a picture of these passion twists. I had to know exactly what they were. I went straight to YouTube to see exactly how to do them. And now I'm looking like a bohemian princess. I'm ready for the summer. So this is a very easy, lightweight style that you guys can learn how to do. So if you are interested in how I got these passion twists, then just stay tuned. Okay, so I first want to start out by letting you guys know exactly what products I use to achieve this protective style for this summer. Starting out with something that is always going to protect your hair. This is the Cantu Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream. I advise everybody use like a deep conditioner just to put on their hair while you are twisting it in with the water wave hair. Definitely need a deep conditioner for this protective style to keep your hair moisturized and to keep those curls nice and juicy. So the hair that I use is the Model Glance braid, and this is water wave. I've seen a lot of videos where girls use the Freetress and water wave, and in my local beauty supply store, that was just non-existent. So I went for a substitute, and this did the trick. The only difference that I can say that I found with this hair and what I've seen with the Freetress is that that hair is a little bit more shiny and it has sheen to it. As with this hair, it's just a little bit more natural looking. It does have shine, like as you can see, the curls and the wave pattern still looks really good. Now for your edges, you're gonna need something like Hicks Edge Control. I opted for the olive oil. This is the Edge Control, and it is by, I guess it's Oars, Original Root Stimulator. Yeah, so Oars. And you're going to use the whole container. So when you do buy Edge Control, I definitely would say go ahead and get you a new one because you're going to use almost the whole thing trying to do this style. You're just going to put it on your edges right before you put the rubber bands on. You're also going to need a rat tooth comb. I think that's what this is called. You know, the little combs with the little pointed ends. Y'all don't laugh. My comb, I was doing this style and my comb broke. So you're gonna need one of these. Just make sure you have the tail end, okay? And then rubber bands. I did do the rubber band method with this hair. My hair can be a little soft and I didn't want it to slide out. I didn't want this to be a 2-week style and then my hair go looking crazy. So rubber bands, black preferably, or I've seen some people use clear. And this is just for an end result. I had my edge brush because you want to go ahead and get those edges popping up under those braids. And that really made a difference with the style after I finished everything and laid my edges to look nice and neat. The next thing that you are going to use is mousse. You will not be using this until you have done your whole head, till you have finished the protective style, and this you will put on right after everything is done. And I actually can show you guys because it's really, you know, nothing to it. So I just took a little bit once I was done my whole head, took a little bit of the mousse, and you just run it throughout like your whole head, and that just like softens your curls. It holds everything into place, so that, you know, it's just like a finishing touch to your style. Okay, y'all, so I am back and I have actually taken out one of my passion twists just to show you guys how I achieved this look and how I got them to be kind of fluffed out and curly the way that they are. I've done it right in the front so you guys can really see what's going on. This is a part, and excuse any white that you might see in my hair, that is just from the product. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Cantu Leave-In Repair Conditioner, and I like to put that all over my hair, all over it, just so that you can keep your hair nice and juicy in this protective style, and you can keep your hair nice and conditioned. Then I'm going to take my Edge Control, and I'll put that all over like so, and take my brush and brush the hair out Just make sure you got everything all together and you are not missing anything. And you guys, I'm looking in the camera, so just don't mind me. Take your rubber band and you are going to put it on nice and tight. Let me remove these ones. Remove, I'm sorry guys, I said removed. My bad. You put your rubber band on. Some people do not like putting their rubber bands on this tight. My hair can pretty much withstand anything. I know because I went through years of color damage and everything, so my hair can withstand a lot. So I put the rubber band on a few times and make sure that it's nice and secure, as you can see. And you have your part there. Then I went throughout my hair and did some pieces with 2 strands, I'm sorry, of the model water wave. The front piece I actually did 2. And you can go ahead and you can do like some pieces within your hair, 2 strands, and some pieces I use just 1 strand of the water wave hair. But for this front piece, I'm going to show you guys using 2. You are going to go ahead and take that hair, and I watch plenty of videos on this. So you pull it apart, ladies. That's what you do. Pull it apart. Just like so. Okay, you do that to the other side. Pull it apart just like so. So you're kind of giving it body so that your twist can have like body. And I'm gonna do that with the other piece as well. This is the second piece. Like I said, throughout my hair, I did use 1 strand on some of my pieces just to give it some dimension. And then on other strands, I used 2 pieces of the water wave hair. So you can do it whichever way you like. I have seen videos where some people have used 3 strands just to get like a jumbo passion twist. So it really is just your preference. But again, we're gonna pull apart, fluff it out. All right, pull it apart, fluff it out. This one is getting a little nappy on me. Okay, it's not cooperating. No, let me stop. Okay, so both pieces are pulled apart, and I'm actually just going to cross them just like this. So you have 2 longer pieces, and in the middle you have 2 shorter pieces. So it should be crossed just like that. And I usually will take the middle and kind of twist it just to get ready to be put on the needle that I'm actually going to be using, since this is crochet. So go ahead and get your hair ready. Then you're going to take your crochet needle, and I got this at my local beauty supply, and it was no more than like $2. I think it was like $1.59 or something like that. So this is just your crochet needle. There is a hook on the end, and then there is a latch that once you have put your hair in, you're going to close just so that it can be secure. So I'm going to take that needle and I'm going to put it right through my hair just like that. And you see the needle. I'll let it sit there. And just so that I can make sure I get all the hair in the needle where it needs to be, I do twist it, like I said, the middle. Take that needle hook, and you're putting the hair right on that needle hook just like that. And then you close the latch and pull it right on through. Open the latch, you grab the hair, and you are only pulling one side through. So, and then go ahead and stretch that side back out, and it should come out just like this. And then you have your hair as well. So the hair is crocheted through, which is the 2 strands here. And then you also have your hair, which I have conditioned, so it is nice and it is ready to go. And then that's when I've seen some people take the edge control and they might put it on their hair, and you're going to separate it into along with your hair just like this. And you have that nice and secure, and you're ready to twist. Now, I did see the Boho Babe. She's the original creator of this style, and she usually likes to twist one side just like this, and I'll hold it, and twist this side just like that as well. And I'm twisting both of the pieces of hair forward, and then I'm taking them and twisting them back together. So together they're going to be going back. Now I've seen some people twist forward, so it really is just whatever you like. You keep on with the edge control, and I switch from edge control and the deep conditioner, the Cantu, so I'll put some of that on my hair as well, just to make sure that it stays in with this protective style. And you twist down, make sure you twist tightly. Some people don't like to pull up until they get past their hair. I really didn't mind it because I felt like it gave it just kind of like a messy look. So just twist it really tight, and I'll pull up and twist down some more, keeping that twist really tight. Pull up, and I'll get a little closer so that y'all can see. And you will continue down, and I've got past my hair, so I like to pull up, keeping the twist really tight. And I'll add conditioner on the weave too, because this is going to be like my hair for the summer, so we need it to stay together. More edge control. I'll put it on each strand, twist up, and keep on twisting. Twist up. And you're going to do that all the way down. I don't care how messy that it looked. If you see the strand, how some hairs are coming out, because it actually looks really nice once you've done your whole head. And pull up and keep on going down. Pull up. Keep twisting, ladies. Keep twisting. Pull up. Right, so I'm back up so you guys can see that I'm still twisting. Taking some more of that edge control and conditioner and twisting some more. And then towards the end, to get the style to stay, you just take, there's 2 strands. So you take some from one strand and let that other strand borrow it and continue to twist. Just like this. And then at the end, you'll have these little curly pieces, which are fine. Some of my pieces were even, some of them were uneven, and I feel like that gives your protective style just a little bit of dimension. So however they come out, I just put some at the end, just like that, and you let it go, and you have the perfect passion twist. Now, for the mousse, I did say I'd give you guys a demo of what exactly the mousse was used for. I'll take the foaming mousse when you are done the style completely. You just add a little in your hand, and you just put it up all over your hair, and that should keep it in place after you've done everything. And voila, ladies, at the end, this is your end result. And I am so in love. So if you guys plan on doing this protective style to your hair, please leave a comment. Now, however long this style takes you is up to you. There are some people who finish this style in 6 hours. There are some people who finish this style in 12 hours. There's some people who said they finished it in 2 or 3 days. I actually started on my hair at 7:30 at night, and I did not stop until 4 in the morning, and I had all of my hair complete except this top part here. I woke up at 9:30 in the morning, and I finished my whole head at exactly about 12 noon. So give or take about 12 hours. Like I said, it was my first time trying anything like this on my hair. As I get more experience, I'm pretty sure that the time will be cut back. But just go at your own pace, ladies, and just let me know how it comes out for you. And I'll see you in my next video.